This exercise will have some guidance that will have a little bit of mapping for different levels of depth. So you may find yourself getting, quote, stuck somewhere. Yeah. That is the most natural, normal thing to even feel like you can't. Yeah. And I will guide basically how to navigate these different levels. And so this is not about getting somewhere. In a way, self therapy and therapy in general, and also of the heart, is about coming more here, where we already are, not somewhere else, not an idea that you have. It's more here, which is part of why it's so important to that our bodies are comfortable, because in a way they're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. So just let yourself relax exactly to your own being here. And as you begin, allow yourself to simply let you, whoever you is right now, if it feels comfortable to close your eyes or not, whatever you prefer, but close your eyes if it does feel comfortable enough. And you can allow yourself to simply be as you are, including the comfortable and the uncomfortable. Relaxing, which is native to all of us. There's no special way. You kind of just allow yourself to be supple, to allow the feeling of gravity to allow you to be here. With nothing to do, nowhere to be. There's no way of doing this wrong. Wherever you are. And now you begin to allow for some awareness of your body. If you notice any parts of your body that may be relaxed or any tensions that may be there, again, without needing to change anything. Just simply allowing to be just as you are, your own unique shape. And as you allow that, simply acknowledging any tension that may be there and any relaxation. And then making space for your emotional body. We're just doing a gentle scan here. What are you feeling right now? In your heart, in your belly, your feelings could be anywhere. Could be numbness, excitement, anxiety. Could be something you don't know what the words are for. And you simply allow that feeling, whatever that is, if it's possible, to just relax. And if you're not able to focus clearly on any of these dimensions, you simply allow whoever you are right now, wherever the sense of I is, to just hang out. If the relaxing is becoming a little bit like too much doing nothing, you can allow yourself to think of something that you like. Could be something that you like about the space that you're in. Could be something that you like about a part of your life, something you like to do. You like taking walks in nature. You allow yourself to, in a way, hang out with that thing that you like, even if it might be boring to somebody else or seem not important. Could be just the feeling of being on your bed, when you're on your bed, or could be hanging out with a friend or work that you like. If we have a hard time being where we are, we connect to something that feels good to us. If it's possible to connect to relaxation in your own body, a part that's like, oh, I feel my cheek is relaxed. I feel my toes or something in your body that can also be like a parking spot. Yeah, whatever that is. You're just learning to hang out with not needing to do anything in particular. If you can do it in your heart, that can also be very powerful. Yeah, whatever's there. Now going back, yeah, we were making space for the emotional body, whatever is there. And your mind, the landscape of your mind, the current thoughts just as they are. I'm looking at this, I'm thinking about this, I have this opinion, just to observe it, not needing to do anything. If there's tiredness, it's also normal, where we might be used to needing to do a lot. And if there's drowsiness, you may want to take a few deep breaths, just as you are. And in this space, allowing, again, does not need to look any particular way. It could be that you're hanging out in your head. Yeah, but that's the place where you hang out that feels calm to you. Allow yourself to do that. Hang out right there, wherever that is. And as you're there, and we notice all of these levels, we're just gaining a little of awareness of what the current landscape of our being, of our instrument is. And we already may have a sense of being with our heart, given all the talk of the heart. You may wish to approach your own heart, or you may already be hanging out there. To allow a resting in the aliveness that is your own heart. It may seem very quiet, or very this, or very that, or not very this, not very that. And just making a little space. And if looking at the heart is all that is possible, that's also okay. I can't hang out there, but I can look at it. And I look, and it's like I can't see anything. Let yourself see nothing, whatever nothing is. Let that be okay, whatever your experience is. Another element that you can add is simply using the natural flow of your breath, or the intentional use of your breath here. Imagining that every inhale and every exhale are like winds of acceptance, winds of the heart, as if your heart was breathing. And you can feel that rising and falling in your chest. And imagining that that wind from the heart is permeating that perfume of the heart, just as it is permeating whatever is in your awareness, whatever you're looking at, whatever you're thinking about. This breath that just blows gently. And I allow whatever my awareness is on, I allow myself to feel it, whether it's comfortable or uncomfortable, just a little more. And just allow gentle, not rushing or forcing anything, just to feel what is here while looking at the heart, while being the heart. You may feel a gentle softening or even a quietness that seems to be landing. And from this quietness, or whatever it is that's here, you no need to go anywhere, but if you have the bandwidth, you can take a moment to look very gently towards whatever it is that's arising from your heart. Just, or to include it in your heart. I sometimes bring it into your heart. Or maybe just looking at it. Just gently with this breath of I feel, this breath respecting your authenticity as your being arises. Just as you are. If it feels wrong, we just slow down and allow for that to be there. If it feels very good, we also just be with the feeling, letting it happen. If a feeling arises, you can let yourself feel it. You don't have to be calm. You don't have to be still. Tears come, you can let them flow. Anger, whatever emotion is here, this is not about being nice. There may be all kinds of feelings that may be here. Could be a sense of anxiety, tension, could be love, could be rage. Whatever your emotion, numbness is not something to force. Any space where it feels like you can't feel, we allow the I can't feel or I don't feel and just hang out. And if for whatever reason there's a freezing up or anything, and your body gets stuck or something, you may want to wiggle your toes, give to yourself what you need. You may also butterfly your legs a little bit, like open and close a little bit. That can help the nervous system, also the physical nervous system, to breathe a little bit, to relax a little. Yes, gently. a space where just a little more I can accept instead of resist or push away. Just a little bit, even. And as the wind, the natural wind of your breath, allows for a little swaying that can feel like a nice rocking if anything feels stuck or tough, to help. Allow, allow. No need to get anywhere, just being as you are, your authenticity, exactly as you, what you like, what you don't like, whatever it is. The shields, the armor, maybe loosening a little bit, or maybe felt a little more. Mhm. And a few more moments of this exercise where you simply allow yourself to accept possible the adventure that you went on, the courage that it takes to face what's inside, to be with what's here, just as you did, to the degree that you did. You may want to give a little bow or a thank you or gratitude to your being. Yeah, you may want to in your heart or your mind. Thank you, mind, for helping us time travel and go to different places and see different things. And thank you, heart and body, emotions.